Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can log in WhatsApp using your phone number. So let's get started. If you have been using WhatsApp for a long time or for a considerable period of time, then you might have noticed that there is no login and logout option. Even if you go to settings, you cannot find any logout options. So it's pretty clear that the WhatsApp doesn't have the option. However, there is another process by which you can use multiple accounts from a single platform. So let me show you that. To log in with another mobile number, go to your app and go to WhatsApp app information. In the app information, go to storage and clear data. After you clear data, open WhatsApp and you can log in with your new mobile number. But remember to back up your chats and other details before clearing data if you have information details on such numbers. So, after clearing the data, you can log in using your new mobile number. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.